But if you're going to be doing a big project, if you know an instructor or a teacher, anybody that uses a whiteboard, even if you just use a whiteboard at work, this is an amazing value. This is from Chalkola, and I'm opening up their box of 60 dry erase markers. This was just sent, and as you can see, there's 12 different colors in this set, but there are 60. So this is pretty neat. I guess if I'm paying attention, I could probably pull this out of here without knocking them all over. And look at that. How cool is that? So right off the bat, they come in a cool rack. I didn't realize that was going to be the case. I thought that was just for pictures. And now, no matter what kind of project you're doing, you've got 5 of each of these colors: pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, dark brown, aqua, red, deep blue, and black. So very cool. And I didn't even realize they're in this cool rack. So looking for a gift for an instructor or a teacher. If you use a whiteboard at work, here you go. Hope this helps. I'd like to thank them for sending us these to check out. Really cool.